Hey guys, it's Nika and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about kitchen and home improvement. So yes, this is going to be another haul and that's the reason bakit ako nandito sa kusina namin. As you guys know, I am renovating or we are renovating our dirty kitchen and unti-unti nagiging totoo na yung design na ginawa ko for this one. And today, I will just be sharing with you yung mga items na na-check out ko via Shopee last April 15 payday sale para sa kitchen namin. So, let's start with those items na ginagamit na namin ngayon, as in useful na siya. So, let's start with this dish rack. Actually, it's in front of me. So, this dish rack, I got this for only 900 pesos or around 850 pesos. I got the 85cm size kasi yun yung kasyang-kasya sa lababo namin. At first, I thought it's gonna be very big, but it turned out na very sakto lang naman. And if gumagalaw yung camera, dahil kay Tequila yun. Tequila! Huwag mong galawin yung camera. Anyway, moving on to the next item na napakinabangan na namin. So, this is the sticker adhesive. So, ito siya. So, you guys would know that I am totally in love with tiles that are marble. As in, sobrang nagagandahan ako, especially sa mga ganitong style. I was really aiming na yung countertop namin is parang sticker na lang. So, parang yun lang yung una kong idea. Gusto ko lang tapalan yung dirty kitchen namin para lang gumanda siya somehow. Like, visually lang siyang maganda. But then I realized na since gagastos na rin naman ako for this, for adhesive and all that, why not opt for tiles na lang? So, that's the reason why I opted for tiles na lang. As you can see, itong bricks na to, it's legit tiles talaga siya. And even yung countertopper namin, it's a marble tile already. So, it's very worth it. So, since nabili ko na nga siya, what I did na lang with this one, I used this na lang to cover yung luma naming dining table. So, yung dining table kasi namin, very old na siya. As in, simula elementary ata ako, nandito na yung table na to. So, binalutan ko na siya ng marble tile. And ayun, sobrang okay naman yung kinalabasan niya. So, here's the before and the after photo of our dining table. So, yan lang siya. And if magkaroon pa ako ng maraming blessings in the future, siguro yun na yung next nating bibilhin. It's so nice kasi ano naman siya, glossy, but it's not as thick as advertised. So, sa advertisement kasi nito sa Shopee, sabi nila it's very thick, it's PVC, it's glossy, it's waterproof, but by looking at it, hindi siya ganun. So, yeah, invest na lang with legit tiles for your kitchen if kaya nyo naman. So, yeah. Next thing that I have here, sige, ito na lang, is this knife set. So, I personally want to have a cute knife set kasi maganda siyang display sa kusina. Plus, parang I grew up with, isang knife lang talaga yung meron sa bahay. So, sabi ko, bilhin ko kaya ng maraming knife sa bahay para madami kaming option din. Especially, mahilig ako yung mga pag nag-need night snack, ganyan, and ang laki ng kutsilyo. So, this comes with little knife like this na pwede for butter, pwede for bread, something like that. So, I got this for around 199 pesos only. All of the correct prices will be placed on the screen, don't worry. So, it comes with 5 knives. And meron siyang peeler. So, madali na siya kapag ka magbabalat ka ng mangga, magbabalat ka ng kung ano-ano. So, it comes with a peeler like this. And this is my favorite one, yung gunting. Kasi, yung gunting namin laging nawawala. I don't know, for some reason, nawawala siya, and then magpapakita siya, and then mawawala siya. So, eto, okay na meron kaming spare na scissor sa kusina. Plus, guys, I love the body of this one or yung lagayan niya. I was aiming to buy sana yung mga pastel color knife set which was parang kay Ashley Garcia ata siya nagsimula. But then I realized na yung kitchen kasi I want it to be black, white, black. Yun lang talaga, black and white lang talaga yung gusto ko sa kanya. So, sabi ko, hindi ko pwedeng bilhin yung mga pastel na ganun kasi nga, I don't know, hindi ko siya mabibili, hindi siya babagay sa kusina, tsaka para siyang pangbata. So, sabi ko, ito na lang, at least it looks sleek, it looks elegant pa rin. Though, I opted for the plastic one kasi yung stainless one na lagayan ng knife set, medyo what do you call that? Nag-rust siya or yung nangangalawang, ayun. So, next would be this one. So, this an 8-tier tire pot holder. So, I bought this for the cabinets dito sa baba nitong countertop namin kasi lalagyan siya ng cabinet and I want the pots to be organized. So, ito yung una ko nakita sa Shopee. wherein you just can put the pans here, and then kaldero, and then yung mga takip, something like that. So, ganyan siya. And then, ipapasok mo lang siya sa ilalim ng cabinet para madali mong makuha yung gusto mong kuning cooking set or cookware. At the same time, organize sila sa ilalim. Kasi, di ba, dito sa Filipino household, pinapatong-patong lang natin yung mga pots natin. So, parang maganda if it's gonna be as organized as it can be. Next would be this crystal seasoning box. So, I got 2 of these. So, eto na siya once you remove it out of the box. So, it comes with 4 seasoning containers like this. So, ganyan siya. It comes with 4 of this. And then, meron din siyang lagayan nito para mas organized siyang ganyan. So, ginamit ko na for my barbecue sauce yung isa. And then, sa chili sauce namin yung isa. So, yan. I like this. Actually, I was opting for the bottled one. As in, yung binubuksan pa yung takip and then black yung takip niya. But, na-realize ko na parang hassle niyang gamitin. Plus, it doesn't look too dainty or too elegant for me. So, yung mga crystal na ganito, mga organizer or crystal container like this, ito yung mga elegant looking for me. Plus, yung mga stainless cup, maraming ganun sa homebodies. Actually, nabudol lang din ako ng homebodies. That's why nag-renovate kami ng dirty kitchen. But yeah, this one's totally worth it. I got this for 99 pesos. It comes with 4 of these and an organizer. If you don't want to organize this on top of it, then you can just use this to organize your utensils. Next would be these organizers. So, I got 16 pieces of these. So, sa isang set, merong 8 pieces. So, it comes with different shapes and sizes. So, 4 na ganito, and then 3 ganito, and then parang 2 of these sizes. So, I bought this because I want to organize yung utensils namin, the spoon, fork, yung mga stainless straws namin, para mas organize siya dun sa kitchen drawer, para once you open it, kita mo na siya lahat. Kasi before, hindi siya ganon. It's very worth it because ito na yung pinakamurang organizer na nakita ko online. Like, ang daming mga Muji-inspired ones, pero hindi ko lang magets bakit sobrang mahal niya. As in, it's super mahal. Yung parang ganitong piraso is 90 pesos. And then, the spoon organizer, around 270 for this piece. But I got mine as a whole for 178 pesos lang. Plus, meron din siyang white na color. So, I guess for all of those minimalists out there, yung white yung babagay sa inyo. Ako, gusto ko rin talaga yung white. It's just that di siya bagay dun sa isang kusina namin. Pero sana pala bumili din ako ng white. So, ayan. Next. Okay, next would be these bottles. So, these bottles, I got this for the vinegar, soy sauce, sa oil, ganon. Kasi, alam mo naman sa kusina, di ba? May mga container na naman yung mga yon, but it's not visually pleasing. So, bilang maarte tayo at bilang kasali tayo sa homebodies, nagpabudol tayo sa mga ganitong bottle. It's actually pretty small for me. So, this one is for the sauce. So, it comes with this opener, or yung parang, I'm not sure nalimutan ko yung tawag dito. Wait. So, it comes with this cup. So, ilalagay mo lang siyang ganyan. Yan. So, that's the sauce. And then, yan. Nakalock siya. And then, pag open mo, ganyan lang. So, dyan lang siya lalabas. So, meron siyang label like this, but there are bottles na walang label. And then, I also got one for the vinegar. And, of course, for the oil. So, yan. I just got 3 of them. And then, kapag kami paggagamitan pa, or may mga liquid pa na kailangan i-transfer sa ganito, then, bibili na lang ulit ako na iba. So, ayan. I got 3 muna para i-test lang siya kung maganda ba siya for the kitchen. So, since I mentioned, guys, that we are going to place cabinets below our countertopper para mas malinis siya, and plus may cabinets din naman dito, I bought cabinet handles. This one looks super vintage. Vintage kasi mali yung na-check out ko. So, ayan siya, as you can see. It's like the old knobs that you get to see sa mga cabinets kapag pumupunta kayo sa bahay ng lolo't lola nyo. Kasi mali yung na-check out ko. Pero ayoko na siyang palitan kasi sayang. So, I got this for only 48 pesos each. I was personally aiming dun sa industrial looking na as in parang paganon lang siya. It's very plain, it's very boring yung design. But then again, mali nga ang aking na i-check out. So, eto na siya. But it will serve its purpose naman. Sayang din naman siya kung itatapon ko lang. So, this is gonna be the last one. So, ayan. I bought this brick stickers. Ayan, this is supposed to be for this wall. Kaya siya bricks, diba? Design niya. So, ito dapat siya kasi nga tatapalan ko na lang sana. But then, naisip ko, sobrang sayang talaga yung tapal-tapal effect na yon. Kaya nag-tiles na lang ako. So, I will just use this para sa accent walls sa sala namin. Sa likod ng TV para meron siya mga brick-brick design sa likod, ganyan. So, I got this for only 38 pesos per sheet. So, it's 70 by 77 centimeters. It's super big, actually. As in, and it's very big. It's like that. It's very big. Sakto pala siya dito eh. Oh. Ayan. Pero it's not gonna last as long kapag sa dirty kitchen siya ilalagay. That is why hindi ko na tinuloy. But yeah, since I ordered it online already, ilalagay na lang namin siya sa may TV set. So yeah, basically those are the home and kitchen improvement that I have as of the moment. In case magkaroon ulit ako ng maraming haul or maraming items from Shopee, then gagawa tayo ng part 2 of this video. Yeah, basically that is it for today's video. And you'll just see me fixing all of this on a separate vlog. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you got a thing or two sa mga pinakita ko. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye!